Rich Dad, Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is a personal finance classic where Robert Kiyosaki contrasts the financial philosophies of two father figures in his life, his biological father, the poor dad, and the father of his best friend, the rich dad. The poor dad followed traditional financial advice, emphasizing formal education and job security, while the rich dad taught Kiyosaki about financial independence, investing, and wealth building. Kiyosaki argues that financial education is the key to escaping the rat race of working for money, and he advocates for acquiring assets that generate passive income. Through the stories of these two figures, Kiyosaki teaches fundamental lessons about money management, investing, and building wealth. These are the 10 insights what you will going to learn from this book. 1. The difference between assets and liabilities. One of the core messages is understanding the distinction between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, for example, real estate, stocks and businesses, while liabilities take money out, like mortgages and loans. The rich focus on acquiring assets, while the poor and middle class often accumulate liabilities that they think are assets. 2. The importance of financial education. Traditional education focuses on academic and professional skills, but it rarely teaches financial literacy. To achieve financial success, you must educate yourself on money management, investing, and how to make money work for you. 3. The rat race. Many people are trapped in the rat race, where they work hard for money, pay bills, and repeat the cycle without ever achieving financial freedom. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of breaking free from this cycle by investing in assets that generate passive income. 4. Make money work for you. Instead of working for money, aim to make money work for you by investing in assets that provide passive income streams, such as real estate, stocks, or businesses or passive incomes. This shift in mindset leads to financial independence. 5. Mindset of the rich versus the poor. The poor and middle class focus on earning money through hard work, while the rich focus on building wealth through smart investments and entrepreneurship. Rich people take calculated risks and seek opportunities to make their money grow. 6. The role of risk and failure. Taking risks and learning from failure is a necessary part of financial growth. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki that avoiding failure or playing it safe leads to stagnation, while embracing calculated risks is essential for wealth creation. 7. The power of entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki advocates for entrepreneurship as a path to wealth. Owning a business, even a small one, provides more control over your financial future and allows you to leverage assets for growth. 8. Tax advantages. Rich people use tax laws to their advantage by leveraging legal deductions, depreciations, and loopholes. Understanding taxes and how to reduce tax liabilities is a critical part of building wealth. 9. The importance of cash flow. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of understanding cash flow, which is the movement of money in and out of your finances. Managing positive cash flow is key to staying financially healthy and growing your wealth. And number 10. Work to learn, not just to earn. Instead of focusing solely on a paycheck, Kiyosaki advises gaining skills and knowledge that will help you manage money better and create wealth. He suggests learning about accounting, investing, markets, and entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki's central message is that financial success is not about how much money you make, but how much you keep and how effectively you invest it. By acquiring assets, building financial literacy, and adopting a wealth-building mindset, anyone can achieve financial independence. That's all for today's video, and I hope you took notes from the insights. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more inspiring book summaries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.